Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nayeli, and if you guys are new here, I make sewing videos, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate that. Today's video is going to be just me cleaning up my sew room and working on a custom order, and it's just like a typical day. This is technically like my small side job, you know. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to go ahead and follow my Facebook page, my TikTok, and my Instagram. That is where I post all my results. I also do like other alterations and stuff. Like I just did a cool transformation that's on my Facebook page, so don't forget to go and follow me on my Facebook page. If you just want to keep up with me, go ahead and go follow those socials. Now let's go ahead and get on with the video. Good morning. I look so bad right now, but it's because I'm about to clean my sewing room. It needs to be cleaned before I like get this custom order started. I already draped and stuff. I didn't film much because I couldn't find my camera charger, so I had to I couldn't find it. I was looking for it for like 2 weeks, and I looked online to see if there was any like online to buy. I was like, okay, it hasn't come up, so I'm gonna buy one now. And I read a post that said I can charge it with the USB cord, and I think it charged. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this room, and you guys are gonna watch me clean it. Here's what's going on. There's a freaking nasty fly. Put that away. Husband's clothes. I like to have this organized too, like before I start to sew, because I do start to throw things on there, so I have to make sure everything's nice. This is my little cleaning section, like with my vacuum and broom, and my bucket and mop are right there, but they usually go right here. It's because I mopped last night, so I have to clean that too. And then my poor Felicia is on the floor. We had I was babysitting all week and stuff, so yeah, that's why there's a goldfish right there. I'm gonna clean all this. I just got done with an alteration. It came out so cute, so I really hope she takes pictures, because it's like the cutest outfit ever. And then I'm gonna dust and stuff here, you know, pick up the trash from the floor. Look at this, there's scissors on the floor, all the scraps are on the floor, there's a floss. What is going on? I throw all my scraps in a bag. That bag is super full, so I'm also gonna add a new bag because I want to go ahead and make cute little fall and Christmas decor pillows for Christmas and Thanksgiving and all that. So that's gonna be a goal in September or October. Yeah, I got my nails done yesterday. Oh my gosh, I love them. My nail tech is so good. His shape, oh my gosh, you probably can see crusties on my face, you guys. It's because I think I have I don't think I have pink eye. I think I have keratitis or something like that, not conjunctivitis, which is pink eye. And I think it's going away, but I'm still gonna see my doctor. I'm gonna call them when they open, because they're so itchy. I don't know if it's allergies, I don't know if it's an infection. I do wear contacts, so all that stuff freaks me out. I never wanted to wear contacts because of they gross me out. Something in your eyeball, I don't know, whatever. But I like to wear them because lately in the summer it's been so hot, so I sweat really bad right here from my glasses, and I don't want to, so I wear contacts, and with lashes and stuff I have to wear contacts. Anyway, totally not the point, but look at my nails. They're just so cute. My nail tech really did that. These would have looked so good long, but I cannot with long nails. and I want these to last, and I feel like with long nails I will take them right off. But back to cleaning. Sorry for that commercial break. Here's a little bit of after I cleaned, and it's pretty nice. And now I'm just gonna make it messy again. I'm working on this custom order that I really want to get out by tonight. I'm just like double checking everything. I drafted a sleeve that took me like a freaking hour to do. Oh my gosh, I'm not like very experienced with sleeves, but I did it. I freaking did it. I'm double checking my design. I did record a little bit of me draping, just a little bit though, not everything, not like a full tutorial or anything like that. But if you guys do want like a full tutorial, let me know. I'm not sure if there's any patterns like this like on Etsy and stuff. If there's not, I'm gonna try to make one for you guys, because I kind of designed this myself. I just seen it on one of my clients wants me to like redo this dress that they want, that they seen on Instagram. So I'm redoing it, but I'm also like adding my own thing, and like I'm customizing it to my mannequin, which she's a size small, so this will fit my client very well and nice and hugged. Way better. I don't know, it's not like super even, but that's okay. The body isn't super even anyway. And then it's gonna be cool because like I'll be able to like crunch everything together. Okay y'all, it is 3:16 and I'm still in here. I'm almost done though. I'm just hemming the top, I'm gonna hem the armholes, and then I'm gonna connect the skirt and then connect the top to the skirt and we'll be done. But my kids are sleeping, so I need to towel this in like an hour. Okay, here's the back. It looks so good. I have to just add, I think I'm gonna add like 2 little darts like this, just to get it a little fitted, like quarter, like 1/2 inch, because it's a little bit loose. It's not like super fitting. And then here's the front. It's not super knotted yet. It's gonna be more knotted. I just have to sew it first, of course. I just like wanted to pin it to make sure I know where to like put it at and stuff, and this much more. But, and then the bottom, I'm just gonna do it above the knee. This is like at the knee right here.